check the first link in the info box down below. Get your very own Swamp Family pop socket today. They are available in the standard pop socket and a mirrored pop socket where you can have 1 and 2 times mirror magnification. Get yours today, limited time only. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today I am finally doing a video that I have wanted to do for a very long time, but I have yet to do it until today. You guys may have seen people doing these $5 mystery boxes from Michaels. Now, Michaels is a place that I usually do frequent, especially around Halloween. They usually have a bunch of fun, you know, Halloween decorations and stuff. And other than that, I used to go to Michaels all the time for Jelly Roll gel pens. I don't know if they still sell them like that or not, but they used to just sell like a million jelly rolls separately for like 49 cents a piece. It was magical. Probably more like $1.29. 49 cents sounds a little bit too, like maybe in the 90s they were that cheap. But anyway, I digress. I think it was just since last year Michael started doing these $5 mystery boxes. So you pay $5 and stuff inside of it is stuff from Michaels. So I have to be honest, I actually bought this box on November 1st. I don't know what kind of massive brain fart I was having, but for some reason I thought if I bought a mystery box on November 1st, that Halloween stuff would be inside of it. Like, not thinking that obviously before they box up any of the Halloween stuff, they would probably have like an entire period where they would like move it from full sale to clearance, etc., etc. Because that's what I'm assuming is inside of these $5 mystery boxes, is probably stuff that has been on the floor at Michael's for quite a long time and they couldn't sell it, and so then they just box it up in these mystery boxes and sell it for $5, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm not sure when I would be able to find Halloween stuff in why do I keep wanting to call them mystery boxes? Halloween stuff in mystery boxes, but probably not November 1st. I called Michael's, my local Michael's, and they said that they had 1 box left. I called them like around 1 p.m. on November 1st, and they had 1 box left, and this was the 1 box. I honestly don't have high hopes for it because it doesn't weigh very much and it was already ripped open. Like, it's not sealed in any way. It's kind of weird because I would assume that they would like tape up all the mystery boxes, but I don't see anywhere where tape has been ripped off. So I don't know what's going on here. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've watched a $5 Michael's mystery box. I know the Cheap Chick does them quite frequently. You guys know, I think I've mentioned her several times on this channel. I love watching her videos. I can't remember if she was the one time that got a whole bunch of planner supplies. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna open this together. You guys can tell me if you think it is a good deal for $5 or not. I don't know if it's gonna be like different types of things, all one type of thing. Let's open it up and, oh, what is this? It looks kind of weird. It looks like all one type of thing. It honestly looks like something I've wanted to do forever, but that I would not ever do because I'm not a teacher. Anyway, let's dive in and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. We got a lot of is like stuff for teacher bulletin boards. So they all have like this kind of large like sticker on it. Oh, interesting. So I was trying to peel this label off the top so I could see like what it was originally labeled as. I'm assuming when it has these 2 large stickers on it, that means that it's been like set aside for these mystery box type things. So this is like $3 retail value right here though, because each pack of these says that it was 99 cents, but they're these little die cut stars in all of these different colors. You guys, honestly, I'm hoping that I could donate these things somewhere because I mean, obviously, like what teacher, like, right? Couldn't like an elementary school teacher use this? So that's like $3 worth right there. So now that I know this stuff is like kind of double sealed. Oh, some of these are also, this is weird. So some of these are like loose, so I'll just show these to you guys. Once again, it's like more teacher stuff. Like this definitely reminded me of the stuff like back in the day. I kind of like the earths. You know, where like you would do something and then the teacher would like write your name on it and it would like go to a different theme and then they would staple it to the bulletin board. Does that make any sense? Like I feel like when I was going to school, they would like change the theme, but there would be like different reasons that we would all have our names written on these little die cut shapes. So clearly this is like all of the planets. I wonder, did they dare to include Pluto? What is Pluto's status as a planet right now? I remember feeling mildly sad a couple of years ago when they said Pluto wasn't a planet anymore. Each of these was 99 cents as well. So I mean, definitely already with just these first couple of items, we went way above and beyond, or that was the $5 right there. So you definitely seem to get way more than the $5 retail value, even if you get like, I guess you could say like a crappier box. Like I feel like this one just kind of looks a little picked over, you know, and it's kind of all the same thing. But you guys can tell me in the comments down below if you've seen some other ones where it usually does seem like it's a mixed theme. This is something called Mini Accents, and this is just the numbers 1 through 100. They're on these little, I don't know why these look like bingo numbers to me. And up next, it looks like, I just want to see how many packages we get in each of these things. So this looks really fun. Honestly, maybe I will use the planets or the stars or something for a live stream. I've been wanting to do more live streams, so it could be kind of fun to like decorate. I do have like a cardboard board, so I don't know, maybe I could like write people's names on the little planets or something for a live stream. Who knows? Once again, we have 3 packages of this, and these are all just these blue wave things. 1, 2, 3. So this would be like to line the bulletin board, I guess. This one's so cute. Y'all, I always thought it would be so fun to decorate a teacher's classroom for back to school, or decorate like a bulletin board. I feel like that's one of those things that if you're not a teacher and you don't have to do it all the time, it seems like it would be so fun. But I'm sure if you're like actually a teacher, you probably get sick of doing stuff like that after a while. This one is really adorable. We have more waves. So this is a packet of pink waves, and we get 1, 2, 3 pink waves. So each of these things is 99 cents. And oh my gosh, okay, these are so cute. These would honestly be cute to live stream with. So these are light bulbs. 1 light bulb, 2 light bulb, 3 light bulb. 3 seems to be the theme today as I hold up 1 finger. Maybe I need to go back to elementary school. Get 12 light bulbs in each of these, 22 in the planets. And I haven't been looking at these things. These borders, you get 12 borders. Oh, I feel like that's what I was saying is not only do you see these around like memo boards, but also like whiteboards and stuff as well. These are kind of interesting. Well, y'all can't tell what these are yet because it just looked like a big giant barcode. These are wood grain. That's like very posh for a school memo board. So we get 3 packets of wood grain accents. There's 24 wood grain circles in there. This is honestly kind of cool the more I look at it, so now I feel kind of guilty for calling it crappy. Oh, okay, we got kind of a duplicate thing, which is the 100-piece little like number circles. So we got 3 more of those. And I mean, all of these things do look like sealed brand new condition. I guess they're just things that never got sold. So we have 3 more pink wave trim things, whatever we want to call them. Oh my gosh, these are cute too. This is giving me like elementary school flashbacks. because I had this one school I went to, and I swear we were called like the sneakers. You know, because like elementary school, well, maybe elementary school now is like a totally different ball game. Because like when I went to elementary school, they didn't do like the elementary school graduations, none of that. Well, I don't know if there's like elementary school sports and mascots now, but when I was in elementary school, there was no sports and there was no mascots. And so sometimes they would just pick like random things. And one time I swear we were the sneakers, which isn't that just kind of weird? Why? Anyway. 12 sneakers. So yeah, that's why I'm like having kind of flashbacks now, because I feel like there was a moment in my life when my name was written on some sneakers. And you know, sometimes when I think about elementary school, it kind of makes me feel a little bit, I did not like school until I was in like high school. Like, I really did not like school until I was old enough to drive myself to and from school so that I felt like I could leave anytime I wanted to. And until I was like really big into like extracurricular activities, which I was like a super late bloomer in school. So I never really did that many extracurricular activities until high school. Like, I only did theater in junior high. And then I kind of did everything in high school. So I feel like that's the only time when I really started to like school. So we have 16 different handprints. And I feel like I just like kind of don't want to open these up right now. Like the one planet thing was open already, but I don't know. Whether I end up like using some of these things or donating them, I feel like it would be a huge mess to open any of them now. Then the last things we have are like these gigantic, I do not know what. Oh, they're like dry erase things. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I don't understand this. It says 100 acts of kindness, and it has all these hearts, which I don't know if you guys can see that, which that is cute. And then on the back, it has 10 ways to be kind. So maybe it's like something, because how many of them are in here? 2. Oh, okay, so I guess this is like one whiteboard and the other one is one whiteboard. But maybe you guys can like help me think about how this could be used in a classroom or something. Maybe this is like more for homeschooling. Would you just write everybody's name on it, or like give different color coordinated things to represent each student, and then maybe they would get... Dude, I had this one teacher one time and she gave us checkbooks. And we would like have to add money or subtract money. Like obviously if you did like good things or bad things. Dude, I have a visceral memory of kids like getting in trouble and crying as they deducted money out of their checkbook, because she had like a store. And so if you had like money, you could get like pens and pencils and stuff from her little like teacher store. I feel like she always had pretty cool stuff. I think this was like my 4th grade teacher. 3rd grade teacher? I don't know, but I do remember kids getting in trouble and crying about that. So I don't know if this could be some like point-based money kindness system. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a tally, because it does, well, you know what? I'm gonna open one of these because it feels like there's more of them in there. Do you know what I mean? It's like each thing has 2 pieces. But I'm thinking it's another like 3. That is 3 fingers. Hello, you guys. I feel like, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Look at that, 300 ways to be kind. Oh, these were $2.99 retail value. So let me just tally it up and see how much retail value items we got for $5 footlong. I can never say $5 anymore without saying footlong after it. Anybody else like that? Okay, anyway, give me just a second to count on my fingers and toes. All right, you guys, did anybody out there do quick math while I was taking all of these things out of the box? I honestly cannot believe we ended up with $51.57 in retail value. So I kind of feel sad for momentarily calling this box crap. I mean, obviously it's not like the first choice of things that I would get in a Michael's mystery box. I mean, if I got my way, it would be full of skeletons. you know, Halloween skeletons and pumpkins. But, I mean, this is still really awesome value for a mystery box. It's, you guys, where is my mind? I know that this is like totally cliche to say this, but I swear the day that daylight savings ends, my brain temporarily like goes to sleep for 2 months until I finally get used to the lack of sunlight beyond like 5:30 in the afternoon. And then just about when I get settled into the lack of daylight savings time comes back. Anyway, this mystery box I feel like is a really good, like useful mystery box. I mean, if you were like a teacher or you had a teacher in your family, I feel like this would just be like an amazing treasure trove of items. I'm sure that there's like lots of other places where they use things like this as well. Like maybe at gyms and stuff, they like tack people's name on the wall. Am I just making stuff up now? I don't know. It's all in brand new condition. I mean, we only had one of these things come to us like opened, and no big deal, just like put it back in the thing. Like none of them are bent or damaged. I don't think any of them are missing. So, I mean, for $5 to get all of this stuff, I mean, even like if you had a kid in your life, like I used to hate going to real school, but I loved playing school. Like, oh my God, I would have been happy for 3 months straight if I would have got this as a kid when me and one of my friends were like really big into playing school, because I mean, you can just like, you know, it's fun. And for $5, I think it's a good deal. But I would love to know you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comments down below, like always. And also, I'm curious, like, do most mystery boxes at other Michaels come sealed, or are they kind of just always like folded shut? Just let me know. Let me know if you know anything about that. I mean, I'm sure also like different Michaels do different things differently. So yeah, anyway, let me know. Now I'm just rambling as if the rest of the 17 minutes of this video have somehow not been rambling. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!